Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to download and install the Branch app. We will also put affiliate links for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and make money. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. On the search bar, type in and search for Branch. To download, tap on Get. After downloading, tap on Open. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Get Started. However, since we already have an account, we're going to go ahead and tap on I already have an account. Now, we're going to log in with our phone number. You will then receive a code. Once received, enter it on the field provided. Next, enter your 6-digit passcode. That's how you download and install the Branch app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.